In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Coppock Curve indicators on TradingView Pro Quick and Easy Guide. We'll walk through this together step by step. So if you're new to TradingView or to the Coppock Curve, don't worry, just follow along on your own screen as I describe each action. First, make sure you're on a chart in TradingView Pro. It can be any market or time frame you like. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is open, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually near the toolbar above your price chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the main Indicators and Strategies panel. When that panel opens, you'll see different categories listed. Here, you'll want to go to the Technical section. This is where TradingView keeps most of the standard, built-in technical indicators. If you don't see it right away, check the sidebar or the main list and select the option that says Technical so that you're working from the right category. Inside the Technical section, you'll notice a lot of indicators displayed, but instead of scrolling through everything, it's much faster to use the search bar. Click on the search field at the top of the Indicators window. This activates the search so you can quickly filter down to exactly what you need. In the search bar, start typing Coppock Curve. As you type, TradingView will narrow down the list of indicators. Once you see Coppock Curve appear in the results, simply click on it. As soon as you do, the Coppock Curve indicator will be added directly to your chart, usually in a separate panel below the price. You should now see the curve plotted and ready for you to analyze. From here, you can customize the settings by clicking on the Indicators settings icon if you want to adjust things like lengths or colors, but that part is optional and completely up to your own trading style. Finally, if you don't already have a TradingView Pro account and you want access to more tools, more indicators, and an overall smoother experience, make sure to use the link in my description to sign up. It's a quick way to get started with the same setup I'm using in this tutorial. And that's it. You've successfully added the Coppock Curve indicator to your TradingView Pro chart, and you're ready to start incorporating it into your technical analysis.